Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube TV account. So in order to do it, you first need to come on YouTube TV, and over here, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the sign out option. So in order to get the sign out option, you need to click on your email address and your name. And here you will see the option of sign out. So if you don't want to use YouTube TV any longer, you just have to simply sign it out, and you just have to set and forget it, because currently on YouTube TV there is no such option for you to delete your account particularly. Even if you go into the settings of your device, you won't be able to see that option, because in the settings you will only be able to see the option to manage your account. However, you won't be able to delete it. So if you don't want to use it further, you just have to simply sign it out, and you don't need to actually recharge it again. So this is the only thing that you can do. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.